Releasing Mazi Nnamdi is going to restore peace and tranquility in Southeast. Nnamdi is the man of the people, and his demand must be met. Hello my people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. If you never subscribe to this channel, I'm asking you, what are you waiting for? Here, update today, nyafu. You know the finish at all. We are bringing you back-to-back update as the hot. May you rush right now, go subscribe to this channel and also follow our Facebook page. Don't forget, say we're there for Twitter, we're there for TikTok, we're there for everywhere. And may you not forget to turn your notification bell on YouTube so that anytime we upload, it could be the first person we could get our update back to back. Here we are bringing you information of things that is happening all over the world, for inside the country where they call Nigeria, and for inside Biafra land. As they hot, now so they bring and they come. Let's go and look into the Benge news where we get for hand today. They say a lot of things are happening as we are speaking right now. We'll go look into one interview where we say that they ask people waiting for street what is the solution of Southeast. Everyone speak about Mazi Nnamdi. Releasing Mazi Nnamdi is going to restore peace in Southeast. I don't know how that day is gonna be. It's gonna be a great news and a wonderful time gift to many people from Southeast. But the government of Nigeria know about this. They are purposely holding Nnamdi to destroy Southeast. That is their aim and objective. That's no other thing which is their aim, is to destroy Southeast by holding Nnamdi down. But our God no go shame us. Nnamdi must be released, and he must be a free man. Nnamdi committed no crime but asked for what belonged to his people. However, I don't want to talk too much in this particular video. Maybe we'll go watch the video together. Then we'll come back and talk more about the video.
But one problem is the release of Nnamdi. Since that man is a leader to the Southeast, and the man is speaking the truth. So since they are holding him down, people are bound to be making problems, and they say there will be no peace in Southeast unless they release that man. And the government know, they know about it. Even the court have released him. The government, the people in power, still hold him down. The only way forward, number one, is to release Nnamdi. If they release Nnamdi, you see everything will calm down.
Now, President Angola, because we're supposed to release Nnamdi so that the office is done. Talk about this matter one for so all of us go rest.
Nnamdi is somebody that is truthful. And Nigeria don't want to truthful. This is what I'm telling you, that the people that is ruling this country is not the Nigerians. That man is a truthful person.
So the solution is to release.
They must release that man. If they don't release them, there will be no peace in this country.
Me, for me, divide this country. No, they go.
Why must they hold him? What did he committed?
No reason.
Because he saw what the evil and the atrocity that is going on, and he said no. And he stand for justice. Is it a taboo for someone to stand for justice?
No.
See, time has come. Any man or woman, if you support evil, evil will follow you, and you will perish. You must stand for injustice. Stand for your rights. Believe in one another, because whatever thing you saw today, you might reap it tomorrow. We all know this. The truth is open.
Yes.
It's an injustice. If we must get this right in life,
yes,
you must not hold the innocent. Because when you hold the innocent, the world will crumble. Everywhere will crumble, unknown to any man. Because you only see today, you don't see tomorrow. What I believe in life,
yes,
when you come out for peace,
yes,
and somebody that you ask for peace does not want peace, what will you do? You have to go your own way. Nigeria can never be the same again. I'm not scared of anything. Even look at where I am. I am frustrated. So the best thing, let everybody fuck out and go their way. Finish.
Activities that has been going on in the East has been going on.
So if they had adhered to what they have been agitating for, and for the freedom of their leader, it would have minimized the things that has been happening there.
Hardship, they cause many problems. If you get to work, I get to work, this one get to work, we will not have time to agitate on some things. Why people are agitating for some things? Because of no work. 1, 2 is idleness. Bible said an idle man is the devil workshop. That is what I believe in, because no this problem in Nigeria.
Included the Nnamdi case and the Simon Eba case. All of them join from the problem of Nigeria and Boko Haram and Islamic and the Christian.
So when see they talk now, say may Nigeria go there separate.
What I want to tell Nigeria is Nigeria have expired by law. The normal procedure. Nigeria now supposed to make them divide them into 3, make everybody as the problem don't start already. From 90 after Nigeria civil war to independence.
So Nigeria don't expire, everybody.
Yes, make them divide them as they count them. Nigerian, Biafran, and Oduduwa. Arewa. All of them. So instead of Nigeria too big for one person to rule.
A very long time I knew about Biafra. You understand? The leader of indigenous people of Biafra is being incarcerated after all series of court victory verdicts. But Nigeria still decides to keep that man waiting. Who is Nigeria waiting for his rescue? Biafra is one of the key things that have so far happened to Nigeria. Nigeria got into Biafra civil war after 6 years interval independences. You understand? So Nigeria fell into a kind of lagoon that need to be resurrected.
What it means that let them release our leader. That is only thing that bring peace in Southeast, even though Nigeria, Africa as a whole. The reason of Mazi and Kanu, that's what we need for federal government. And let them stop killing innocent people that not doing anything, bombing people's house, destroy people's property.
If they want to attack,
if they are fighting security, let them find people. Let them go inside bush, inside for wherever they are. Go there, go and find them.
Nigeria army should stop killing innocent
people. That is problem. And the reason I'm sure that there will be peace.
Just maybe say as the war start, I follow poor body.
You go follow poor body.
I don't follow poor body now. All of us they suffer. I follow the suffer. So no joy everywhere. So it just be.
You look at it, you know that this crisis is caused by government, caused by Imo State and the Abia State and the Anambra, Enugu, and it's caused by politicians, they are governors. Because we know that when they call this man Nnamdi Kanu, it was like 2016 or 2000, they're asking this man, what will you do? The governors called him, so what will you do to make this protest and all the rest to stop? The man tell them that you go and build the road, refinery, make sure there is light, there is employment. Let it be good to Mr. A and let it be good to Mr. B. That I will drop this agitation. But still yet, if you go to our normal state road, it cannot even pass to Aba. I'm not talking about federal road, because federal road, Caterpillar will come to the Pia federal road, will stop, will even spoil in the federal road there. I don't know the machine they will use to walk that federal road. I'm talking about the state road. If you watch the state road, if you go to Anambra, if you go to Imo State, no road to pass. If you go to Enugu, state road are finished. So
are you saying the Igbo side are being marginalized, or there's no?
When we are talking at the Igbo side, they are being marginalized. Yes, somehow we are being marginalized. But this our governors, is it not from Igbo? Are they not getting money for the federal government? Are they not getting allocation? Why not use this allocation and put the Igbo status in order? Why not use this allocation money? But due to these people are wicked, are demons, they cannot walk the road. You see how insecurity are everywhere. This insecurity caused by the government of this our southeast. Many these Igbo states. It caused by the governors. They know what they will do to make sure that this insecurity. December is approaching. So how do we travel?
What is the way forward, sir?
how do we travel? The way forward is to release Nnamdi Kanu. It's only Nnamdi Kanu that will come out and still do that broker said, let everything be stopped. And I know that will be stopped. They will now separate all those criminals from the good ones. Because now if you go to Olo, you are in Nigeria and you know what is happening in Imo State. You know what happening in Abia State, everywhere. You cannot even do you travel to your village? We were from Olo, we don't travel to Olo. I don't know where you're from anyway, but I'm from Olo. We don't, if Ebubago see me now in my village now, oh my suspects. If they see me now with my car, that means I'm gone. So they don't even ask you where you from or where it is. If many people see you there, they have shoot you. You are up. So that is the problem we are facing. We cannot travel to our village anymore.
Welcome back. As I've watched that video, no be smart, you know. Yeah, my people, things are really happening. Let me tell you something. No average Igbo man today, even though be in Nigeria army, be a police force, be a civil defense, be a custom, be a politician, be in the House of Assembly, be anything you like, be. I know you are watching this video. You want to be free. You know that man you are asking, Salaji sir, is not in your category. You deserve more better than that. You know that one. You know it very well. But you're conscious of the peanuts you are getting from this contraction cannot allow you to say the truth. Cannot allow you to express your feelings. Once you express your feelings, they sack you from that office or I'll look for one thing and give you and prison you immediately. No average Igbo man today. Hence, you are Biafra. We are from Calabar, from anywhere you like. Let you from a BBO, whatever, wherever you from. Hence, you are a Biafra that you don't want freedom. We all want the freedom, but the problem is that who we talk, and now people have stand up to talk. They say they are criminal, they are embezzling money, they are this. The truth of the matter is that there's nothing you do in this life that people will not tag you one thing or the other. But anything that has been written has been written. If you like, let the wrong people be coming along that struggle, but one day, God is going to raise Moses, God is going to raise someone that will lead those people. Or God is going to raise who will liberate those people, and they are here with us. There are so many people in this picture which so many thousands of people do not like. They say they are this, they are that. There are so many also people that are talking against Nnamdi Kanu, Simon Ekpa, DOS, so many of them. But the thing is that war will be. The Biafra that I'm seeing has been written that Biafra must surely come. So the truth of the matter is that every average Igbo man, every average Biafra man wants freedom. So the government of Nigeria know about this. That is why they are holding Nnamdi Kanu. Release of Nnamdi Kanu will be them like people, they are inside water and there's a lot of soap in their eyes, but they don't know how to wash it out. That is one thing they are afraid of, because that day is going to be like a Christmas in Nigeria, all over Nigeria. Some Hausa people love Nnamdi Kanu. Some Yorubas genuinely love Nnamdi Kanu, because the man opened the eyes of sleeping people in that country, and they know this thing. That is why they are holding him down. But however, Nnamdi Kanu will be free in the name of Chukwu Okike Abiama. Please share this video, very, very important. Share the video and also subscribe to this channel, very, very important. See you in the next update.